Magandang buhay mga kaibigan, mga kapanalig, mga kapatid. Naritong muli ang inyong matinik at ang musikero upang magbagi na naman ng kaalaman sa larangan ng matematika. Ang ating pag-uusapan, equation of the tangent line and normal line. At ito ang part 1 ng ating session under ng differential calculus subject. Pero bago natin simulan ang ating sesyon, kaibigan, kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming channel, kung maaari lamang paki-subscribe na muna ng aming channel and at the same time, paki-press ng notification bell at ng like nang sa gayon ay lagi po kayong updated sa aming mga videos. Ngayon naman ay maaari na po nating simulan ang ating diskusyon regarding about equation of the tangent line and normal line. At siyempre, naririto ang ating mga objectives. At the end of the chapter, the students would be able to, paunang objective natin mga kaibigan, find the slope and equation of the tangent line of a curve at a given point. Pangalawa, find the equations of the tangent line and the normal line and lengths of the tangent and the normal between a point on a curve and the x-axis for various curves. Third objective, find the equation and length of a tangent and normal of a curve using parametric equation. Tangent and normal lines. Ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin yan? The slope of the tangent line to the graph of a curve function is actually a fundamental interpretation of the derivative of a function. And the precise expression of this essential idea is as follows. Let f be a function, and for its value x above of the input to f, the value f prime of x above of the derivative f prime of function f evaluated at x above is the slope of the tangent line to the curve of f at the particular point x above, y sub o, where f of x above is also y sub o. Recall the point slope form of a line with the slope m through point x sub o, y sub o. Y minus y sub o is equal to m times x minus x sub o. Ang ibig sabihin ng m in this given equation is actually the slope. But m is also the first derivative of the function, which is f prime of x sub o, and then substitute this value to m. So the equation of the tangent line is now y minus y sub o is equal to f prime of x sub o times x minus x sub o. At yan ngayon ang ating gagamitin para sa paghahanap ng equation of the tangent line. Ang formulang ating naisulat. Ang y minus y sub o is equal to f prime of x sub o times x minus x sub o ay ang ating formula para sa ating equation of the tangent line. The line to a certain point and perpendicular to the tangent is the normal line to a curve at a particular point. In order to determine the equation of the normal line, simply get the negative reciprocal of the slope of the tangent line. So the equation of the normal line is now y minus y sub o is equal to negative 1 over f prime of x sub o to be multiplied by x minus x sub o. Halimbawa, ang slope ng ating tangent line, ng equation ng ating tangent line is 1/2. Ang negative reciprocal nito is negative 2. Ulitin ko, halimbawa, 1/2 ang slope ng ating equation of the tangent line. Ang negative reciprocal nito is negative 2. So yun lang ang ibig sabihin ng negative reciprocal. So let us proceed and continue. Illustrative example natin mga kaibigan. So babasahin ko ang ating first example. Write the equations of the tangent line and normal line to the curve y is equal to x squared at the point where x is equal to 3. So paano natin bibigyan ng solusyon ang ating given problem? Simula ng ating solusyon. The derivative of the function y is equal to x squared is actually f prime of x above or equal to y prime equals to 2x. Sa unang hakbang, hanapan natin ng derivative ang ating given function. Ang ating given function is y is equal to x squared. Ano nga ba ang derivative ng y? Hindi ba't y prime? Ang derivative ng x squared is equal to 2x. Kaya ang ating first derivative, y prime is equal to 2x or f prime of x sub o is equal to 2x. Solving now for the value of the slope of the tangent line and ordinate y sub o. Bilang continuation ng ating solution process, at x is equal to x sub o is equal to 3. Let us just assume that x is also x sub o and the value of x sub o is equal to 3. Kasi nga, ang given naman natin, point where x is equal to 3. That is why we will just assume that x sub o is also equal to 3. And then, ano ba ang value ng ating y sub o? Ang value ng ating y sub o is actually y. Pero paano natin mahanap ang value ng y which is actually equal to x squared? Hindi ba't ang given function natin is y is equal to x squared? Let us just assume that y is also y sub o. Pero di ba may value tayo ng x which is also x sub o and that is 3? So direct substitution. Y is equal to y sub o is equal to x squared. But x is equal to 3, that is why we have 3 square and that is equal to 9. Ang ibig sabihin, ang value ng ating y sub o is equal to 9. At dahil ang unang hinahanap natin ay ang ating equation of the tangent line, okay, proceed tayo, no? So, ordinate natin y sub o is equal to 9. Ngayon naman ay maaari na natin kalkulain ang ating f prime of x sub o. Bakit? Kasi kailangan natin ng x sub o, kailangan natin ng value ng y sub o. And at the same time, kailangan din natin ng value ng f prime of x sub o. Ang f prime of x sub o ay makakalkula natin sa pamamagitan ng paggamit ng ating first derivative. Ano ba ang f prime of x sub o value natin? Hindi ba 2x? Sapagkat ang derivative ng x squared is 2x. Now, direct substitution. Ano ba ang value ng x? Hindi ba 3? That is why 2 times 3 tayo, mga kaibigan. So, ang sagot natin is 6. So, kumpleto na ang ating mga given. Mayroon na tayong x sub o, may y sub o, and f prime of x sub o values na tayo. At yan ngayon ang ating slope of the tangent line which is actually equal to 6 nung nahanap natin ang value ng ating first derivative o ng ating slope na f prime of x sub o. Substitute the values of f prime of x sub o, and y sub o to the equation of the tangent line formula. So ano ba yung formula natin para sa ating equation of the tangent line? Y minus y sub o is equal to f prime of x sub o times x minus x sub o. Hindi ba't inaanap natin ang equation of the tangent line? At yan ang ating formula. So yun pala ang rason kung bakit kailangan nating ma-determine ang value ng x sub o, y sub o, and f prime of x sub o para mahanap natin ang ating equation of the tangent line. So direct substitution na lang tayo, mga kaibigan. Ang value ng ating equation of the tangent line, y minus 9 is equal to 6 times x minus 3. Then let's simplify the equation. Sa left-hand side, pwede ko nang alisin ang grouping symbol ng y minus 9. So y minus 9 pa rin. Sa right-hand side, I'm going to distribute 6 to each term of x minus 3. 6 times x is 6x, and 6 times negative 3 is negative 18. That is why y minus 9 is equal to 6x minus 18. And then simplify. Lahat ng mga terms, ililipat natin lahat yan sa left. And when we transpose, definitely magpapalit tayo ng mga signs. That is why we have now 6x minus y minus 18 plus 9 is equal to 0. Then simplify pa natin. 6x minus y minus 9 is equal to 0 is now the equation of the tangent line. At matagumpay nating nahanap ngayon ang ating hinahanap na equation of the tangent line. Ngayon naman ay atin namang bibigyan ng katugunan ng ating problem regarding about the equation of the normal line. So paano natin hahanapin ang ating equation of the normal line? Again, We have to solve for the slope of the normal line. Yun na lang ang problema natin para sa normal line. Ano ba ang slope ng normal line? Definitely, negative reciprocal ng nahanap nating slope sa tangent line. Ang slope natin sa tangent line is 6. Ano nga ba ang negative reciprocal ng 6? Di ba't negative 1/6? Tingnan nga natin. Negative 1 all over f prime of x above is also equal to negative 1/6 dahil ang value ng f prime of x above is 6. So direct substitution, negative 1/6. And that is now the slope of our normal line. Di ba't napakadali lang mga kapanalig? Now, let us solve for the equation of the normal line. Ano nga ba ang equation natin? Di ba't yan ang aking in-introduce kanina? Y minus y sub o is equal to negative 1 all over f prime of x sub o times x minus x sub o. Yan ngayon ang equation ng ating normal line. At dahil kompleto na ang ating mga values ng y sub o, x sub o, and f prime of x sub o, direct substitution na lang tayo mga kaibigan. Y minus 9 is equal to negative 1/6 times x minus 3. Then simplify by multiplying the entire equation by 6. That is why we have now negative 6y plus 54 is equal to x minus 3. Simplify pa natin mga kaibigan. Lahat ng mga terms ililipat natin sa left. Ibig sabihin, mayroong transposition process tayong gagawin. At kapag naglilipat tayo ng mga terms sa isang side, from a side, lagi tayong nagpapalit ng sign. Ngayon naman ay maaari na nating simplify ang ating equation. Sa papaanong paraan? Ang negative 3 at ang negative 54, kapag yan ay ating binigyan ng katugunan, ang sagot is negative 57. That is why ang ating equation of the normal line, ang ating final answer, x plus 6y minus 57 is equal to 0. At yan ngayon ang ating equation of the normal line. So mga kaibigan, matagumpay na nating naanap ang ating dalawang inaanap na equation of the tangent line and equation of the normal line. Again, I repeat, 6x minus y minus 9 is equal to 0. Ang ating sagot para sa ating equation of the tangent line. Para naman sa ating equation of the normal line, ang ating kasagutan, x plus 6y minus 57 is equal to 0. Hanggang dito na lamang po mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagtangkilik sa aming mga videos. God bless us all po. Papuri sa Diyos magpakailanman. Mabuhay ang bawat kabataang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.